mind has so many capacity. Like what the mind can do, you will never imagine. Your mind can take you places. Your mind can help you build things that you never thought you'll be able to build. People that live below their potential, the main reason why they live that way is because they have not been able to utilize the power of their mind properly. There's so many possibilities that can happen if you just use your mind properly, and that is why today we are going to be talking how to reshape and restructure your life, how to design that life you want with your mind. It will not take you so much. It just takes the willingness. And the first point I have here is that you have to be willing to accept change. So many people are stuck. So many people are stagnant, not because things can't change for them, but because they are not willing from their hearts. They do not want to change themselves. I used to say to people that ask me, oh, how can I be disciplined? How can I do this thing? I will tell them that whatever you want to do, it has to start with your mind. It has to start with you being able to change, being willing to accept change. Change is something that will happen whether you like it or not. So you begin to accept change. You begin to see that, oh, maybe the way I was thinking before is not right. Maybe I need to think outside the box. Maybe I need to expand the way I think. Maybe I need to do this. Maybe I need to do that. Because if you are so rigid and you are not flexible, you will not be able to utilize your mind very well. You will box your mind, keep your mind in a particular place, and you will not be able to advance into different areas. So I want you to first be willing to change. Have that mindset that I can change for the better. I can do things even better than the way I am doing them now. The second point I have here is that you have to build your mindset. You see, the mind is something very important. Your mind is something you have that can help you a lot. So you start by building it. If you don't build your mind, if you don't build your mindset, you will not be able to expand and restructure that life you want to restructure. So the second point I have is you have to build your mindset. And you ask me, how exactly, Imade, can I build my mindset? The first point I have here is that by the things you're allowed to inside your heart, inside your mind. The things you watch, the things you read. In fact, do you even read books? Let's start from there. There's something Samadiyemi was saying. He said that his life changed by just reading one book, by starting with one book. So he changed his whole life, the dimension of his life, the dimension of how his life was supposed to go by just reading a book. I will tell you that you can structure your life, you can change your life if you are someone who wants to start reading. Oh, please don't tell me that I can't read, I'm not a reader. Please, everybody is a reader. You can start by reading one book. You can start with one chapter. You can start with one page in a day. So you have to start reading. You have to start watching things that help you grow. I myself, I wouldn't say I'm addicted to YouTube, but I watch YouTube a lot, and I watch educational stuffs on YouTube. I watch talks. I watch so many things on YouTube that can help me in different areas. My God, like the world is a box of knowledge. You can get knowledge from everywhere you turn to. So get the right knowledge. Go on YouTube, search things, look for knowledge. Let it be inside of you. If you want to really build your mindset, you have to be knowledgeable. You have to know what you are doing. So I'll beg you to please start by letting good things enter into you. Through that things, it will help you to build a better life for yourself, to restructure your life, to even be able to envisage and see what you want to do with your life. So read books, listen to podcasts, watch educational stuffs, go for seminars, go for conferences, network with the right people, have the right people around you. Your mindset is connected to so many things around your life. You don't know, but it is so connected to so many things. So number 2 point I have here is build your mindset by what you let inside of you. The third point I have here is letting yourself dream big. You see, I started by saying your mind is very important and your mind has the capacity to do great things. Now you have to ensure that you allow yourself to dream big. You have to see a vision. There's something I know is that God wants us to dream big. God wants us to be able to see things that might even be impossible. You see, whenever we limit God to, okay, maybe I can achieve this, let me not ask for too much, let me not dream big. No, dreaming is free. Dream big. Let your imagination run wild. Wild in the right manner, please. Wild in the right manner. Let your mind be able to envisage things that are not possible. Allow yourself to dream. Allow yourself to see the vision that God has for you. God will not make you look small. God has no small thing for you. There's no one that God has anything small for. God wants us to dream big. God wants us to be able to see great visions. And I say that if you can use your vision well, if you can use your mind well, so many people have eyes, but not everybody can see. Yes, I'm saying this in, you might have eyes, you can see, but not everybody can see. How do I mean? You might be able to just see the natural things. You may just be able to see the things that you see. But to be able to dream higher and bigger and see beyond, it takes someone who is intentional about building his own mind. So the restructuring itself is you being able to dream, you being able to have a vision, and don't allow anybody to talk you down. Oh, you cannot achieve this. Please dream it. The vision is what will take you to where you want to go to. So dream big. The fourth point I have here is allowing yourself to stay focused on the positive things. Don't dwell on the negative things. See, one thing that can spoil your vision and can spoil your dreams is negative thoughts. Allowing yourself to think that you can't do what you want to do. Allowing yourself to think that you're not capable. I tell you that even sometimes I feel that way. Sometimes I feel like the things I have in mind to do, can I even do them? Am I just dreaming anyhow? I'll tell you that you are capable and you can do it as long as you see it and as long as you believe that God can help you. As long as you know that you are going through the path God wants you to go to. You can do anything and you can become whatever you want to become. The fifth point, but not the least, is staying focused. If you really want to restructure your mind after dreaming big, what will keep your vision is you staying focused. There's so many distractions. There are times when you think that maybe this is not where I'm supposed to be. Maybe this is on that path I'm supposed to go to. You have to stay focused. When you see something, you have to keep pursuing it. You have to keep looking at that thing. That is the only way that you can actually go far and do what you want to do. So stay focused. There will be distractions. There will be people saying, no, you can't do it. There will be people saying, even your own self will be telling you that you cannot do these things. You cannot dream big. What fuels your mind? What fuels your mind is focus. Stay focused, even when things are not really going the way you want them to go. Maybe you have already started a project, you have already started what you want to do, and it's not really yielding the results. I tell you, the people that are great now have been there. You're not the first person. So you have to stay focused. You have to ensure that you're not allowing anything to distract you or take you away from the path that you want to be. Because things will come, storms will come, trials will come, tribulations will come, things that you do not even expect, they will come, and that is life. But I tell you that the one who stays focused is the one who will win. You cannot win without focus. So stay focused and stay determined. And that is the end of the points and this video. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. If you have learned a lot, please kindly subscribe to this channel because it helps us reach a lot of people. So as you are seeing this now, if you want other people to actually see this video, you have to subscribe so that more people will see. You have to like, you also have to comment. I will talk to you in the next video.